Have you ever looked at a simple piece of wood and wondered what hidden opportunities might be sitting inside it? What if one small design could transform a room and also become something people would eagerly pay for? Welcome back to Craft Catalog, where today we're exploring woodworking ideas that not only enhance your home but also have the potential to grow into a profitable creative outlet. Woodworking has never been more accessible. Even with basic tools and affordable materials, you can create pieces that look polished, modern, and high-end. The magic comes from combining simplicity with thoughtful design. These ideas show how easy it can be to turn plain wood into decor that stands out, whether you keep it for yourself or sell it for extra income. Let's begin with small decor pieces, because they're often the easiest to make and the quickest to sell. Think of wooden risers, simple trays, candle stands, and photo holders. These compact creations instantly upgrade desks, coffee tables, shelves, and countertops. Their appeal comes from how visually balanced they are. A smooth top, slightly lifted base, or clean edges can turn a plain block of wood into an aesthetic display piece. People love items that help style a room effortlessly, making these perfect for both home use and craft selling. Another powerful category is wooden organizers. Items like desktop sorters, key holders, mini shelves, and entryway organizers combine beauty with practicality. That combination sells incredibly well. A wooden organizer is not just decor, it solves a problem. It keeps mail tidy, holds small accessories, or creates structure in a busy space. Functional decor always has a strong market, and the designs can be endlessly customized. Floating shelves are another standout idea. They're simple, elegant, and useful in almost every room: bathrooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and offices. Even the most basic floating shelf design adds warmth and dimension to a wall. These are highly profitable pieces because customers love minimalist shelving but want it at an affordable price. With smooth finishes, consistent lines, and versatile sizes, floating shelves can become a signature product. We also explore wooden wall art. Wall art allows you to express creativity in shapes, lines, and patterns. Geometric panels, layered slats, abstract arrangements, and textured designs all add personality and depth to a room. Wall decor made from natural wood blends into almost any style: modern, rustic, boho, minimalist, or farmhouse, which makes it incredibly appealing. These pieces may look elaborate, but they often rely on simple repetition or symmetry. Next, let's talk about small furniture projects. Compact stools, mini side tables, plant stands, and laptop stands fall into this category. These pieces require a bit more assembly but remain beginner-friendly because the structure is predictable and the shapes are simple. Small furniture is both practical and decorative, and it often becomes a conversation starter in someone's home. Items like plant stands sell extremely well because they make greenery look intentionally placed and beautifully displayed. Another area rich with potential is decorative storage. Wooden crates, stackable boxes, and modular compartments offer a perfect balance of aesthetics and usefulness. These designs transform clutter into clean lines and curated displays. People appreciate storage pieces that don't need to be hidden, pieces that become part of the decor. With pallet wood, plywood, or leftover scraps, you can create stunning and profitable designs. One of the most enjoyable categories comes from transforming leftover wood into little treasures. Tiny decor blocks, desktop sculptures, wooden coasters, mini displays, jewelry stands, and small candle trays all fall into this group. These pieces are fast to make, versatile, and appealing to customers who want unique, handmade touches. Leftover wood becomes an advantage instead of waste. As you watch today's ideas unfold, imagine each piece inside your home. Imagine how it could transform a shelf, a wall, or a small corner. Then imagine that same piece being packaged, photographed, and sold to someone who loves it just as much as you do. That is the blend of creativity and opportunity, turning wooden designs into decor and turning decor into income. Before we continue, make sure you're subscribed to Craft Catalog. Every week we bring you fresh woodworking ideas, creative home projects, and inspiration for building a profitable craft business. If you love making beautiful things, and you enjoy the idea of earning from your creativity, this is your channel. Hit subscribe, tap the notification bell, and stay inspired. Now get comfortable and enjoy the rest of today's video. These woodworking ideas may spark your next home transformation, or even your next income stream.